All right, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures Basement Edition. I know. You're all like, is it over yet? Are you done yet? Getting close. Let's check it out. We are in the living room and we've got the wall done here. Check it out, yo. Oh yeah. That's all shadows, by the way. All these are shadows. But we got it sanded and primered down all the way down. It looks pretty good. Look at that. Even the art. I even got that. So today we're going to start in here. This is the bathroom hallway, I call it. And then we're going to go in and hopefully sand all this down and primer it today. So we'll see how far I get. It's been a long day at work. And look at this. Is it not all coming together? Wow. All primered. That's right. And so we're gonna get the ceilings done hopefully this weekend. We're going to texture using a roller. So we'll see how that works. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. I lost all my video when I did this room, but you can see end results. I'll make sure you have some really good video today. All right, well, we got the sanding, mopping, and 2 layers of primer on. So here we are at the bathroom hallway. I'm waiting because I have a lot more mudding to do here. But yeah, I got the top part. Looks pretty good. And the beam. And then this wall is done. And then this wall going into the living room. Sorry, there's a lot of shadows down here, but yes, it is 2 layers of primer. I did 1 extra on the seam And the seam there, just for giggles. Didn't really need it, but this primer looks really good when it's dry. So we'll have to come down here and see it when it's dry. But you can tell it's still pretty wet. And yeah, so anyway, I'll see it when it's dry. All right, it's the next day, and I just wanted to show everybody what it looked like dry. So you can see it really does, the primer really does look great. And then you got this wall here. And of course, I have to tell everybody I'm not doing anything with this wall until the bathroom. The bathroom's in shambles. So I just don't want to have to restructure all this if it has to come out. So, but that wall looks good. And then that wall did really good. You can tell the difference when it dries. Look at that. Cast shadow is really good. But I got this amazing little a little fan my brother-in-law brought over. And it's drying things up pretty good. So there you go. We'll just cap this video off here. This afternoon, or this evening, I will be sanding this wall, this, and that, and that. And we'll get it all primered up. And I'll also be mudding again today, so I'll be getting all the corners cleaned up. Got like all this to mud. Got this to finish, and then the corner here. So we'll be mudding and doing all that, but just really wanted to get all the first couple of layers of primer on, and then we can repair, go around and just clean things up. This will all be done today. And then I decided I was going to texture this. I wanted to just do this straight white, but it'll match everything as we step down. So, but yeah, looking good. You can just tell what it's going to look like. It brings it all together. I really am happy with the primer. And yeah, we should be on our way to texturing next. That's what we're going to be doing. So get that roller in next week, I think, or I'll just go pick it up from Home Depot today and start texturing the ceiling, getting this thing wrapped up. Thanks for watching, everyone. All right, well, I think this concludes this video. It's just several days of video put together, you know, getting all the walls sanded and primed. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'll just show you, we got, you know, a lot of the edges completed, corners. This is a big corner here. It's a work in progress. And then So we've got these walls with one layer of primer. This shows you two. I'm waiting to, when I sand this area, these corners in the doorway, I'll come back in here and do one more layer of primer. I just wanted to get one layer up, come in tomorrow and kind of hit some of the gaps and the gashes and some of the things I missed. So not perfect at this, so you can see I missed sanding something there. And then just a few areas to fill in here, glazing. And then I have this crazy corner that I'm fighting. I'll win. And then, yeah, up there, looks good. That's just one coat. So we're getting there. It looks really good. You know, just fish. Anyway, yeah, it's looking really good down here. Again, we're going to get to the bathroom eventually. It's all wired up. The drywall's cut. Got a few more pieces here that go there. Lights in, fans in. We just need the plumbing completed. And then we'll whip this one out. The cool thing is, I got the toilet and I have the vanity. This is what the vanity looks like with the mirror. But anyway, it's looking pretty good. All this stuff is gonna go out this weekend. I'm gonna start cleaning, scraping the floors, getting all this dust out of here. See, dust is just piled up in the corners. But a lot of this stuff can go out of here now. This shelf, of these cabinets I'm not going to use, so I'm just going to put those in the shed. Probably put the table somewhere. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Priming, sanding, and yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.